So I'm working on a project here, and when I wetted the leather, I must have had some iron filings or something on my finger, and it caused this little black smudge when the leather was wet as it dried. But there is a trick to get rid of these black smudges. It works like 90% of the time to save a project, which this is going to be dyed brown, so it probably wouldn't show up. But still, yet I don't like to leave that if I can help it. And it happens a lot whenever you're doing wet forming and stuff. But if you take 100% lemon juice, the acid in it, like I said, 90% of the times will get rid of those black marks from iron. We're going to see if it works here in this video. Just rub it in lightly. Sometimes it doesn't remove it completely, but it usually removes 90 to 100% of it. Like I said, 90% of the time. I've had one or two times that didn't work, but most of the time it works. But to keep from having discoloration from when you go to dye, go ahead and wipe the entire project down anywhere you're going to apply dye, to keep from having a discoloration change with the lemon juice. They also sell something I think is called oxalic acid that you can do the same thing with, and it will remove those dark blemish spots. But good old lemon juice works most of the time. As you can see, it's already much lighter. Alright, as you can see, that spot, it's almost completely gone. By the time I put some oil on this project, and like I said, I'm going to dye this background brown, that will completely hide that little iron smudge.